again. It's a rich thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today I want to show you this hair from Julia Hair, and it came in this pack, and in the pack it contains the hair and some accessories which I really like. They included a hairband, to lay your edges if you want to, and also lashes and like a makeup bag. Then I have 4 bundles in this pack, and they are all 20 inches, and these bundles are straight hair, and you can see the wefts. They are so nice. The texture of this hair comes really nice, soft and very lush. I like the quality, and you can see how nice the wefts are, sewn. And so I'm going to go ahead and just remove the paper wrap on it and quickly wash the hair, because I would like to wash my hair these days before installing. But if you don't want to wash yours, you can skip. So yeah, this is what they look like now, and this is what the hair looks like. Don't mind my face, I look really bad, but guys, it's really hot. Right now the weather is very hot, so I look all sweaty and all that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead now and wash the hair. So that I wash the hair, and this is what it looks like, the 4 bundles together. So I'm going to allow them to dry, and considering the fact that the weather is very hot, I'm going to leave them outside to dry. Then I can just speed it up by blow drying them. All right, so I'm going to do that now, but I'm not going to film it because this video was getting too long. So yeah, after it's dry, this is what it looked like. So I went ahead and used my flat iron to straighten it out before I start my install. So before I go further to show you anymore, I want to show you my braid pattern. So please guys, watch how I do my braid pattern. I show few clips just for you to have an idea of what I'm doing, and then after I'll talk to you guys. Alright guys, so this is my braid pattern. Is simple, is quick, and very neat. Alright, so you don't have to braid this neat. I think I'm neat anyway. So alright, okay, so for sewing down the hair, I'm going to use needle and thread. I'm using straight needles, and I did a knot on the thread before I pass it through my weft. I'm using 2 wefts at the same time, and I'm starting from the back, so I just keep checking to see if I'm focused or I'm still in the center of the camera, because sometimes you think that you are doing this right, then when you are editing, you now find out that you were not even focused, and so I don't want that to happen. So basically what I'm doing, I'm sewing my 2 wefts together on the on top of my braid, and I'm using my needle to go through the hair, not through the weft. I only go through the weft on the first one to keep it nice and secured. Then after that I go through the hair, and yeah, just begin to sew. So of course I'm doing the flip over method here. Okay, so I continue sewing and I flip over as I go. And I didn't want to skip this part because a lot of people told me that the back part is where they find it most difficult. If you feel that you need a mirror to do this, you can have like a mirror in your front and another one at your back so that you can see what you are doing. And so, but I'm not using any mirror. I'm just trying to follow the braid pattern and sew down by heart. This might not be the best sewing video on YouTube, but I'm happy to share with you guys how I achieved this look, and I hope you can support by liking this video and subscribe if you are new to my channel, which I'll be really grateful if you stop by to just like and share and all that good stuff. And don't forget to check the description box for the details to this hair and the link to this particular one where you can purchase it. It's affordable and it's good quality hair. So this is one pack of hair I've just put, and so I'm going to go ahead with the second bundle and continue sewing.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So now that I have this amount of space left here and I finished up with the double weft, so I went ahead and cut it and have like one weft now. So now I'm going to start sewing it from side to side in the front, and when I get to the middle braid I'll stop there and flip over. So I did two types of method here. I did the flip over method for on this side, and on the second side I did the one that you can cut the weft in pieces to install. So talking about this video, I don't think it will give you the um, concentration to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to just leave you to watch this video and tell me what you like I said, this is not my best install. I know I could have done better, and I know this is not the best also on YouTube. So guys, just tell me what you think on the and so yeah, I have more sewing videos coming. So just in case there's anything that you find difficult that I didn't explain very well in this video, just make sure you just drop me a comment so that I can talk about it or do something that suits what you want. So guys, this is what I'm doing for this part until I get to the almost towards the middle, and I try and create a small piece of closure, then I now put it in place. So guys, I just like to watch this video, and I'll talk to you soon. got to this point and this part here, I'm going to just create a small closing part for it. And what I do is just fold the wefts, the single wefts like that, and as I fold, I sew them in, and I just continue to fold and sew it in, and sew it in. And I feel I've gotten the right size. It depends on how much your space is at the middle. And so when I got to the right size, I now open it up and I use my flat iron to flatten it, and this is what I got. And so I'm just to go ahead and just place it in and sew it down. So yeah, when I sew it down and there's anywhere I feel that I didn't put enough hair, I'm going to go over it and do that. So this is pretty much so, because I'm going to sew this down now and just show you the final look. And please don't forget to check the description box for this hair. So I just use my flat iron to straighten the hair and to add a little bit of hair serum also. And pretty much that is it. I am exhausted, like I'm tired. I used like the whole day because I was like waiting for it to dry and doing other stuff. Like everything about my day today was just this hair. All right guys, so this is what I have. Yeah guys, just drop me a comment. I'd like to see what you think. I'd like to see what you think, guys. All right, so check the description box for Julia hair. And yeah, thanks so much guys for watching, and bye.